Game launch blocked by the Bugsplatrc Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. To start our troubleshooting for Bugsplatrc Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Bugsplatrc Library, the BugSplat Resource Library. This module houses the unmanaged localized string tables and UI dialog templates used by the BugSplat crash reporting framework. It provides the visual manifest required to prompt users for error reports when a game process terminates unexpectedly. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Since Bugsplatrc Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the BugSplat toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Bugsplatrc Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Bugsplatrc Library DLL. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Bugsplatrc Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Bugsplatrc Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.